Hi, my name is Manik, and I recently underwent a right knee replacement surgery by Dr. Bhushan in BLK-Max hospital. Dr. Bhushan is known to me for last maybe 10 years, and he's the doctor. He did the same surgery for my mother also, both the knees. So I also took a decision. I have been a sports person whole my life. I used to play squash, tennis. Recently, I started cycling also, swimming, running also, but my right knee was bothering me all along. So I had minor arthroscopy on my right knees maybe 10 years back, and this was the time I started limping, and there were some ligament injuries also, and the situation became complex. So the first name came to my mind was Dr. Bhushan, and I came to him, and on seeing it, he said ki it requires a replacement, but it is your choice. You need to take a call because knee replacement is on if the patient is ready, positive and ready for the surgery, the success rate is very high. So without thinking anything, I said yes, and he arranged a date, and I got the knee replaced from the BLK. So the team here is very supportive. It's a very professional team. Right from I entered this hospital and right through today I'm getting discharged. Everybody has been very helpful, cordial. Physiotherapy team has been very cordial. Doctor has been visiting me every day. So thank you very much, Dr. Bhushan. Thank you very much, BLK Max team. Thank you very much, physiotherapy team, for helping me out from this situation.